do you still do carpet cleaning? And then where were you finding like time for that, dude? Like you just like, okay, no matter what, I'm gonna do this carpet cleaning during the day because there is no Uber driving?
Well, so carpet cleaning was my best hourly income. You know, I made about $100 an hour when I cleaned carpets. And so that was the best hourly, but it wasn't consistent enough. I was trying to hire people out to do the carpet cleaning, but it was hard to get people who were consistent enough, especially when I didn't have enough business. But eventually I let go of the Uber once my wife got a job change, so I couldn't drive Uber in the morning anymore. I had to take the kids to school. So once I couldn't drive in the morning for the morning rush hour, it wasn't worth it anymore. But right around that same time, my Airbnb management started to pick up, and I had more and more people I was managing properties for, including some of my own. I started doing arbitrage units, but so it was perfect timing. I stopped doing Uber, and it was just carpet cleaning and property management. And then finally, not till like last year, did I finally really give up carpet cleaning. And like it's still a good business, but it's a lot of management, a lot of a lot of hands-on management, and a lot of advertising expenses to run it. So yeah, actually my carpet cleaning van, actually it's been about 2 years since I sold just a small amount of money. I sold the business, like the website and the customer base, but I kept my equipment so I could clean my own carpets. Well, no, really, it might have been like probably 2 years ago is when I stopped trying to do it actively. But I kept the van for another year, and yeah.